Here we have a nice example of a 2004 Boxster on 177,000 miles. Someone wants to pick themselves up a bargain Porsche. That one will be going through.
Here we go, lot 27. Have a look at this one. Porsche Boxster convertible. Have a look at this one. Nice car. There we are, lot 27 coming in now. Pretty little thing. I'll tell you what, this is cheap. Cheapest Boxster I've seen for a long time. There we are. What's the worth? Who's going to bid me? I got £1,500 to start. 15 away, thank you. 15, 16, 17, 18. £1,800 the bids there at £1,800, £1,800 cheap Boxster here at £1,800, £1,800 at 18.19 online, £1,900, £1,900, £2,000 in all, £2,000, £2,000, £2,000, £2,000, £2,000, that's the offer going forward at £2,000. 21 online, 21 online, 21 online, 21 online, the bid 22 online, 22 online, 22 online, 23 online, 23 online. Can we sell it? At 23 online, sold, ticket on, at 23 online, 24 online, 24 online, 24 online, selling, at 24 online, I'll take a 50. 24 online, 24.50, 24.50, 24.50, £2,500, £2,500, £2,500, £2,500. We're away now, £2,500. He's away now, £2,500 there for the first, £2,500 there for the second. That's 50. Late breaker there, 25.50, 25.50, 25.26 straight back, 26 straight back, at 2,600 back. He's away now, 2,600 back. It's selling away at 2,600 there for the first, 26.50 there for the first, 26.50 there for the 2,700 there for the first, 2,700 there for the second, and it's up 50. 2750, 2750, 2800 pound, 2800 pound, 2800 pound. You're not doing much, are you, Linda? 2800 pound, 2800 pound. Sat there with your feet up at 2800 pound, 2800 pound. We're away now, 2800 pound there for the first, 2800 pound there for the second. The hammer is up. 2800 pound, cheap car.